Look at this yummy goodness. You're not going to want to miss this recipe, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fabulous appetizer or just a great snack. We're going to be doing baked zucchini. Now, I know this is one you've probably tried in a restaurant, and we have too. And then I came home and I thought, well, maybe I can do that. And so we love it. And so what I've done is I've chopped up some zucchini. Now, don't make the mistake like I did when I was young and dumb and I was 20 years old and I bought a cucumber and I thought I'd be great. I didn't even know it was a cucumber. And I got it home and I baked it up. Well, actually, I fried it back then. And I was serving it to David. And then he bit into it and he said, "Are you sure this is zucchini?" And I go to the refrigerator and he said, "No, Connie, that's a cucumber." So yeah, I was young and dumb, but I've learned a lot in 40 years. So this is my take on it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So let's get started. What I've done is chopped up some zucchini, and I've got a little olive oil, and I'm just going to drizzle this with olive oil and get it really nice and coated on all sides like this. Now I have a plastic bag and I like to shake mine up in a little plastic bag. You could add all the ingredients that you want in here and do it your way, but I've done this, so I've got it coated with olive oil, and I am going to throw in a little flour, just a little bit to get that all coated together, like so. With my olive oil, kind of adhere to that. And then I'm going to put that in my bag, like this. And now I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese. Let me get this out of the way. Some Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to coat that. Now you can put as much as you want. I probably have a quarter of a cup, maybe. It depends on how many zucchini you're going to do. Then I have panko breadcrumbs, like so. I'm just going to sprinkle that in there. And then I have paprika. We're going to put a little bit of that. And I have a little bit of garlic. Now you want to be kind of careful with this. If you like a lot of garlic, great. If you don't, just add a touch of it. It's going to give it that extra flavor. So I'm going to put that like so. I'm going to close my bag. And we're going to give it a little shake, just like this, to get everything combined together, like this. If it looks like too much paprika or whatever on this one, just keep shaking, it'll kind of blend in. And then we're going to put them on our baking sheets. Okay, I've got them out on my cookie sheet now, and this is what they look like on both sides. They're really nice and coated. And I had my oven preheated at 425 degrees. And then what I'm going to do, since I've got these out now, I'm going to hit them with a little bit of sea salt. Well, that's optional. It's up to you. We like that little bit of flavor there. Hit it with that. And then we're going to cook them for about 15-20 minutes. And about halfway through, I check them. If they're cooking on this side really well, I flip them over. And then I cook them a little bit more. So stay tuned. I'll show you what we serve these yummy things up with in just a second. Okay, our zucchini are out of the oven, and I like to just serve them up. I know this is a chip and dip bowl, but I like to be different. So this is how I'm going to serve them up, with a little ranch dressing, and I have a taster. It's going to come taste these. Want to have a bite? Tell me what you think. Tell me if it's a far cry from the fried cucumbers.
Oh man, those are good.
Have I come a long way since the cucumber?
Just a little bit.
All right. I'm glad you like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to tell somebody you love them.